You don't want price to come back aggressively to that zone. Do you understand? I think I hope you are getting me. I seriously do. So you understand. So that's what we are doing there. That's what we are doing, and we are waiting for price to retest that zone and go up. So your guns are here when the price comes back to this area, to the order block, right? Let's go to charts. Let's explain this on a proper chart. Let's let's get a proper chart. So this is Euro USD. I realized I was teaching a lot of Deriv indices, so I thought I should maybe use examples of what of these currencies, so that we can apply this wherever we want to, right? So, okay, this is an order block. As you can see, that is an order block. Why? Because you see, there is an aggressive move. This move does not happen, guys. It doesn't happen. That move is not caused by people like you. It's not caused by people like me. We trade retail, right? Though we try to follow the big guys, but we are still retail traders. So there is no way any of us is going to cause this type of a move. So when that happens, we go back to where it should have started and look for the candle that started the move, that initiated the move, where the selling actually happened. This is history. This is manifestation of what would have happened prior. So this is a 1 hour chart. We're saying during this hour, we were what? We were selling. And this was the manifestation of any transaction that would have happened inside this one, inside that candle. And the transaction, we know the identity of the transaction after a move. We all know price sells or buys because of a transaction that would have been made in the market. So it's a sell when, so price drops when someone has sold the particular pair. Price appreciates when someone has bought that particular pair. Do you understand? Do you understand? So this is where everything happened. Then we have this aggressive move, right? And we don't mark this as an order block. Why? I think you see, this is not an aggressive move. This is a very weak move, if I might use that word. And yes, this is an order block. Why? This is an aggressive move. Understand? I hope you do. This is not an order block, this one, because this is not an aggressive move. This is not an aggressive move, but this is, right? If that is an aggressive move, this is an order block, right? You see how you mark these things. You look for aggressive moves like this and mark these opposite candles like that. This is not an aggressive move, right? This is not. This is something. This is something. So you mark that orbit. Yes, mark them, even if they are broken, even if they were not respected. I need you to get the appreciation, because remember, when you mark this, this would not have happened. And I will explain why we don't consider these moves. You know. So let's continue marking order blocks. This is not, no, this is an aggressive move, but the move started here. You understand? This is the proper, perfect stuff, right? Where is another aggressive move? This is not an aggressive move. You see, this is not, it respected the retail the retail resistance. So we don't consider that. We need something that violates those retail rules. You are told to sell from what? From resistance. You are told to buy from support. You know, all those stuff. We want the moves that would have broken those rules. We want the move that would not have followed those textbook stuff. You understand? So that's what we want. There's nothing here. There's no order block in this area. Why? Because nothing. It was respecting what the retailers are told. But this broke the what? This is a support, right? So this move broke the support, right? So this now becomes an order block. Why do we say it has to break support or resistance? It has to because we want it to violate what is in the books, what is in the retail books, right? We are retail traders, but don't want to trade like that. So when this happens, it means someone was trying to buy from this area, was trying to buy here, and this was to here to him. This was more like a stop hunt or something like that. So when this happens, you look where the move they have started and wait there and wait there, and you see today we're not worried if the order blocks were respected or not. No, we just want to identify them. You understand? We just want to know, to identify. You see, this was a particular support, retail support. You see, support. Where did the move start? It started here. It started there, right? Break. You understand? This was break. You understand? So these are order blocks. This was the break of, not break of structure. This is not break of structure. This is break of what? Of resistance, of support. You want to wait here. Want to wait there for them here. Understand? Understand? Do you get me? Yes, you do. Thank you. You understand? So this is it, guys. So right, this is V25, and this is a 1 hour chart, and this is V25, as you can see. So let's start here. Let's start from this point. So as you can see, we have this move. This is an aggressive move we're talking about. Where did the move start from? This is the order block, right? We mark it like that. Remember I said we are not really worried about if the order block was retested or anything. We just want to mark them. This is an aggressive move, right? This was the OB, right? Wait, this is an aggressive move. And where did the move, the order block? This is the OB. I will explain why we do not mark this as an order block, why we choose this one. You will know, but for now, just get what I'm saying, right?
Okay.
Then we have this aggressive move. You see the down move, this one, and where's the order block? This is the order block, right? We have an aggressive move again. What is the order block? Okay, this is playing games with me. Okay, where is the order block? This is the OB, an aggressive move, right? That takes out support. Understand? Understand? Okay, this is another OB. Let's mark it. Why did the move break? It took out this support. You see that support. Price was supposed to bounce here using the support mechanism, which we have learned, both you and me. So we have this move. This was the OB.